At Woolloomooloo, you'll find the longest wooden wharf in the world, a symbol of Sydney's past. Now a developer has been honoured for its restoration, reviving a decaying piece of our history.
The Finger Wharf in the 90s, a fragile frame on the verge of falling apart.
It was subject to water erosion. You had a base that was basically rotting below this entire structure.
Built in 1915, a place migrants arrived at, many men were sent to war. Later earmarked for demolition, but then transformed by developer Lang Walker. Now 300 apartments, a hotel, marina, restaurants and walkway.
Just the neighbourhood that's evolved out of this redevelopment and urban regeneration is something to be proud of.
The restoration recognised with a Global Legacy Award from the Urban Land Institute.
It's so good to see buildings have a new life.
With its fresh look, Woolloomooloo Wharf became home to the rich and famous, including Russell Crowe and John Laws, even a set for Hollywood sitcoms.
Who's got the waffles? Who's got the waffles?
All right, we get it.
Yeah.
We get it.
People are looking.
And still making its mark as the longest timber-piled wharf in the world. But beyond the fanfare, the development team says this was Lang Walker's vision, a public promenade and a place for so many to enjoy.
Where people could mingle and have a drink and have a bite to eat. So I think he would love to see it being used by the public the way it is day to day.
Angelique Opie, 7 News.